Hello, my name is Todd Nottingham. I'm a Resource Planning Supervisor for AP Swebco here in the Shreveport District. And today we're talking about storm preparation. We have some storms, predicted for our area. And one thing we'd like you guys to know how we have to prepare for storms is, number one, we get storm teams together. We're already preparing and talking and planning each and every day. We have assignments for every area. All our districts are prepared and ready with material brought in for the storeroom. Crews being assembled, brought here to support the storm effort. And one thing we like to do is when we have these major outages and major storms, we like to work from the substation down to the single customers. And what that means for you is, on three-phase line, we're going to get those on first, and we're going to work priority customers first. We're going to try to get on our hospitals, our police stations, fire departments, schools, things of that nature that's very important for the infrastructure of our area. And then we work our way down to the single customer. So you can expect multi-day outages with a storm of these size sometimes. And we'll have a lot of crews coming in here. We got a lot of help. We're having storm plans today. We got a storm meeting coming up in a few minutes to just prepare for what's coming. And we're going to have assignments for every area. And please be patient and understand that the best thing for you to do is prepare for several days without no electricity, whatever you got to do for that meeting, and be patient with the guys doing the work.